Hi there, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a Fusion 360 model of your rounded car. Okay, so I'm going to be using the dimensions on here. Okay, and the first couple of dimensions that I need are the length of the car, which is 120, okay, because I can see here is the middle is 60, and the width of the car is 40, and the height is 42. So I'm going to go over to Fusion. I'm going to select a sketch. I'm going to do this on the side. Okay, and then I'm going to press Create Rectangle Center Point Rectangle. I'm going to bring this out and I'm going to check my height. I think that was 42. Okay, and then I press Tab 120, and then I'm going to press Enter. I'm left with a rectangle that's the right size. I'm going to then finish the sketch, and I'm going to go over here and press Extrude. Okay, I'm going to extrude this. Oops, sorry, I'm going to extrude that. Okay, because I'm already in the center, I'm going to change this to symmetric extrude. Okay, and I'm just going to remind myself that this is 40. Okay, so I'm going to press whole length over here, and then my distance is going to be 40 millimeters. And I'm going to press OK. Super. I'm going to go over here, and now I've got my block. Okay, I'm going to go here and press create sketch, and I'm going to create a sketch on the side of my block. Okay, just zoom in a little bit. Right, I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to start with the red lines. Okay, the red lines that you can see here. So there's one at 60, one at 96, and one at 24. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click the line tool. Okay, I can see where the middle is. Okay, because I started in the middle. And I'm going to change my line type to construction. I'm firstly just going to draw a center line. Okay, and I know that's the center right now. I'm also just going to draw two straight lines, and I'm not going to worry about where they are. Okay, but I need to make sure that they are straight. I'm going to just zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to go over here to sketch dimension, or I can just click D. Okay, I'm going to hover over the end and hover over this. Okay, and then what I can do is add a constraint. So I know that this is 24 millimeters away. Okay, and I know that I'm adding that as a constraint. Okay, for the purposes of this video, I'm also going to add a constraint to the middle. Okay, but I already know that that's 60. Okay, and this one, I think it was 96. Okay, 96. Okay, but I'm just going to go back to my drawing and double check. Yes, 96. So next, I'm gonna create the blue lines. Okay. Now the first blue line is this one, which is 8 millimeters from the bottom, and the second is 25 millimeters from the bottom. Okay. So exactly the same. I'm going to choose the line tool. I'm going to choose construction. I'm going to draw a straight line straight across, and I'm going to draw a second one. I'm then going to go to my sketch dimensions. Click, click, and the first one should be 8 millimeters. There we go. And the second one is 25. Okay, so go back to here, click on here, and press 25. Right. If I go over here, you can see, if you can see that the center of my wheel is just here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is create a 5 millimeter diameter, which is what this means, hole just there. Back to Fusion. Okay, and I'm going to choose this center diameter circle. Okay, or I could press create circle center diameter. I'm going to choose that. You can see it just it should just snap into place. Oh, I've still got my construction lines selected, so I'm going to go over here, click construction, press that, bring it out. Okay, press 5 because I just want 5 millimeters, and there we go. I'm going to do that one more time. Press 5 millimeters. There we go. And those are my two holes. You can see also that I've got a 30 millimeter diameter hole, which is there for the to go around the outside. Okay, again, I'm going to use the same center point. Okay, bring it out and just click 3, 0. I'm going to do the same on the other side. 3, 0. Enter. Lastly, okay, you can see that I've got a radius 25, so that must mean I've got a diameter 50 millimeters, but the pivot, the center point is down here at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to take this, I'm going to go there, and the center point is there, and I'm going to press 50 millimeters. Excellent. I'm then going to finish my line here, okay, and draw it straight across. So draw the line tool from there to the middle. Okay, and from the middle, I need to draw 45 degrees. Okay, now as I click, okay, I can draw my line in any direction. But notice, okay, I'm just going to draw it to here. I'm going to press Tab, and the tab takes me to the degrees. Okay, now I could press 45, okay, but that's going to send me over in the wrong direction. Okay, but I could just move my mouse over here. Okay, it doesn't really matter how long it is, and I'm going to press Enter. Super. I'm now going to just finish this curve on the top, and I'm going to press Create Arc, 3-point arc, there, there, and there. Okay, super. And then I'm going to press Finish Sketch. Okay, I'm now going to extrude away the pieces that I do not want. So I'm going to press Extrude, or I could press Create Extrude. Okay, and then first I'm going to select this part. Actually, let's put it at an angle so you can see this part. I'm holding Shift, and also these parts. Now it's going to ask me to come out this way. Okay, but what I want to change is to cut. Okay, and I can press, so I can do it by hand, okay, and I can cut all the way through, but it's very good practice, okay, to press all, okay, and that will take away everything that I do not need. I'm going to press OK. Okay, excellent. And I'm going to do one more extrude. Okay, you can see on here that it's hidden my sketches, okay, and I want to unhide them, or unhide at least sketch 2, okay. And for the wheel arch, okay, I want to click this one. I'm going to press Shift and click the other. And again, I want to go inwards by -4 millimeters, okay, which is what it says on the drawing. And I'm going to press OK. Super. I'm then going to go over to the other side, okay, and I'm going to create a sketch on this side of my car, okay. I'm going to draw 2 more wheel arches, and I'm going to use the center point, which has come through the hole, 30, another center point on here, 30. And instead of pressing Finish Sketch, I can just press E for elephant, and it finishes the sketch for me and takes me straight to the extrude area. Okay, again, I'm going to press inwards, and I'm going to press -4, there we go, and I'm going to press OK. Now I'm going to get rid of my sketch, or at least to hide it. Okay, and what I'm now going to do is zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to open my bodies, click on this one, and press Appearance. So what you can do, okay, you can go down to wood, and I've gone for solid wood, and I'm going to go down, and you can press download, so you can download whichever one you particularly want. But mine is going to be made out of pine, so I'm going to just drag and drop that onto here. Oh, sorry, I need to press download first, and then onto there. Super.